Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Miliana Kenya here as usual. Yeah guys, today I'm excited. So guys, today I was busy. I was just doing my work. Yeah guys, I was doing my chores today. Yeah guys, so today I decided just to show you around guys. Yeah, this is where I live. This is where I call home for now guys. But as I told you before, I am a village girl, but right now I stay here in Nairobi city. This is a city, a big city guys. Yeah, you can see beautiful houses. You can see guys and see how um views we have outside here guys. You can see we have a lot of trees around. You can see avocado tree here, and guys, we finished the avocado. So guys, that is our place. Our place looks like that, guys. And guys, even you can see outside the gate. This is our gate. Yeah, guys, and that is our small compound. That's our small compound where our Romeo always sleep and play. Yeah. So guys, you can see outside. Um I have been cleaning today. Yeah, guys, just to remove dirties. Yeah, so guys, this is how this place looks. Yeah, guys. And guys, this is our beautiful house. Yeah, that is our beautiful guys. And guys, today was a sunny day, but now it's evening. Yeah. Guys, that's Romeo. That's Romeo. He's just barking. Romeo's barking. He makes a lot of noise. Yeah, guys, I'm inside the house. Yeah, it's dark. Let me yeah. So guys, you can see that's me. Yeah. That's Miliana Kenya there. You can see Miliana Kenya on the TV, guys. Yeah, guys, if please guys, don't forget to watch me out, okay? You can watch me, you can view Miliana Kenya, and then you can watch me there from your TV, from your laptop, from your computer, from your phones. Guys, please do that. So that's Miliana Kenya there. You are watching her. So that is me, guys. Yeah. So guys, now I'm thinking of what to do. I just want to go to the market to buy some things, but guys, I think my phone, hey, my phone will stop where I stop, okay? So guys, welcome back again. This is me, Indiana, Kenya. Yeah. So guys, I'm here. This is my room, and guys, I just want to fold this. These are the curtains. I want to fold them, and then guys, I do what's next. And this is towel, guys. This is towel. And this is bed sheet. So guys, I'm back. So guys, if you can see well, you can see outside my window. That's this is my window, and that is outside the window, guys. You can see that's the field, the big field for the students, everyone, guys. If you want to have fun, you can come there and then you can have fun. And I always enjoy being here, guys. You can see people shooting. Can you see them, guys? Or what am I showing you? Can you see people shooting? They are shooting. Yes, guys, you can see they are shooting. You know, my window has already closed. So those are the people. They are shooting. I don't know. Others are playing football, but we have behind those trees, we have a big field. Yes, we have a big field, guys, where people always play. Kids, you can be maybe youth, kids, every type of people, they come here to have fun, guys. You can see they enjoy being there. And also, guys, I enjoy being here on this window just to watch them. Yeah, although I'm not there with them, but I enjoy seeing them, watching them, having fun and playing every type of games. Yeah, guys. So, guys, are you seeing them? And guys, that's the behind our house. Yeah, that place is a place where I always hang my clothes when I wash them. You can see, guys, those people. I don't know if you are seeing them, or I don't know what I'm showing you, because um guys, I don't know. Now, guys, that is my bed. You can see my bed, guys, how it looks. That's how my bed looks, guys. Yeah, that's a place where I used to sleep. Yeah, I used to sleep there. Guys, I have been washing my hands because I don't know what I touched. I feel like my hands was dirty, so I decided to wash them, guys. So, guys, now I hope it is the end of this video. Let me go to the market and pick whatever I want there. And guys, I hope we shall continue tomorrow. And guys, please, thank you for your time, thank you for your support, and thank you for everything you have done. May God bless you. May you go far, oh guys. And guys, remember to subscribe. Okay? Tell your friend, tell your neighbor, tell your family just to subscribe for me. And remember, that's a huge thing to me, okay? When I appreciate, God will bless you and forever. Guys, really, I'm so excited for sure. That one, I'm assuring I'm excited for what you always do for me. When I wake up in the morning and then I found that I have 1 subscribers added, hi guys, that's a lot. Yeah, it means a lot. So thank you so much. Welcome back and welcome back. Yeah, welcome and welcome back. Bye guys. Let me consider going so that I will not be late. Okay guys, I can't take you there because guys, my phone, when you stop or when you pause, you will find that Hey, no pausing, guys. The video, you find that your video stopped even before you stop it. So, guys, you just watch this, and I'm going to appreciate. Remember to watch until the end. Thank you, guys. Bye.